Some days ago, we officially launched this property into the market. And we had to plead on behalf of so many of you that the company keeps the pre-launch price till 18th of May. And why is that? So that so many people will have the opportunity to decide or to reserve their plots. Ladies and gentlemen, where am I talking about? I am talking about Peak Resort and Golf Course, which is located in Lakowe, Lagos, Nigeria. The truth is, buying property at a pre-launch price, a promo price, or a distress sales price is always the smartest way to invest in a property. Because why? You get to have the opportunity to gain instantly. So you make your profit almost instantly. And that is why you see that a lot of the times I glamour on when they have these offers in the market, and which is no exceptional to Peak Resort in Lakowe. Now, the truth is, this is the entrance to the estate, right? But this is not where the property is. Neither is it somewhere ago. I've shown you guys in my last video. So, hey, let's go even see the property itself, where the land itself is located. Can you guys see it? Now, this is the land, but let's come back to where I am. This is the entrance that leads us straight down into the estate. It has a government approved Excision. And of course, like I said, the promo offer, the pre-launch sales, we end on the 18th of May, which is just a couple of days more. So I'm using this video to call on you to reserve now at 10 million naira for 600 square meter. And you have your 300 square. Now, we have the 300 square meter back, but I'm not sure how many is left now. You also have the 450 square meter. So ladies and gentlemen, if you know that you will love to own a piece of luxury, this is the best time for you to reserve your plot in this soon-to-be luxurious estate. Trust me, some of you already own one property or the other in different locations. But the question I want to ask you is, do you own a property in a resort? So if your answer is capital no, then you should stop watching this video right now and give me a call. Let me help you reserve your plot right here in this resort. Because like I said, how many of you own a plot in a resort? Even if you don't want to live in a resort, you can also have it for investment purposes. You never can tell how much this resort will be selling in another 2 years. We said so much on the launching of this property. So if you want to watch the video on the launching of the property, all you need to do is just click the link that will pop up at the end of this video, and then it takes you to all of the information. You can see the layout, you can see everything that has to do with this particular property. You already say I'm back in the Lekki Expressway. So this is Lakowe, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please call me before 18th of May. Please don't wait. After 18th of May, you now come here and say, goodness, go and double, go and beg MD. MD should allow me pay 10 million. MD should allow me to pay 7.5. MD should allow me to pay 5 million for 300 square meter. He ain't doing that anymore. No, it's not like I cannot double it. I can, of course. But at least give me something good to double it for. Not like now I'm telling you, I'm here under the sun, encouraging you, telling you, and then you now relax, you wait, and after then you now say I should go and double it. Please don't do that. So wait now, do 20% initial deposit and spread your payment across 3 months, which is considered outright. Of course, there's a payment plan of 1 year. Thank you once again. I'm waiting for your call. But until then, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me. All the numbers on the screen is on WhatsApp, and I'm handling them. So I'll see you guys when you give me a call. But until then, I really have to go right now. So I say to you, oh, double.